Hi, cookies! We just finished listening to The Legend of Spookley, the Square Pumpkin. And now you get to make your own Spookley. Now, I've sent home several things, and the first thing you need to do is cut out your pieces. So you'll have your two big leaves. You'll have two small leaves, a stem, cheeks, and two eyes. Now, you were given a half sheet of black paper. On your own, just cut out two circles. That's what Miss B did, just cut and turn. And then I folded in half and did sort of a U here to make his smile. So, you're going to take your orange paper and your scissors, and be very careful with your scissors, and you're going to kind of cut off the corners a little bit, just like that, to curve it a little bit. Now, I did that to all four corners. What you'll need to do next is decide, do you want to have a short, long Spookley or a tall, thin Spookley? I think I'm going with short, like me. So the first thing you'll need to do is glue on his eyes. So you will take the two white circles and you will glue them on. Now I use my glue stick. Remember we talked about glue sticks. Just turn up a little bit, roll it around the back. I love using the purple so I know where it goes. And if I turn it up too high, it gets gloopy, and we don't want gloopiness. So we started with his eyes, and I think I just dropped the rest of his eyes on the floor. Yes, I did. Okay. See, even happens to grown-ups. Now I'm going to take the black circle I did. I'm going to just take it with my finger and roll it here and get the stuff on it. And then I'm going to put it in the middle of the white circles. And now Spookley's looking at you. He needs his mouth. So we'll put the glue on the black because we know exactly where it needs to go. And add that on, like so. Now he needs his cheeks, and I just noticed I need a little more glue under there. So I'm going to put a little more glue on his thing. Sometimes that happens, and I think I forgot to press it down really good. That helps when you're gluing with glue sticks. And I did get some on him, but guess what? It is going to disappear. That's the great thing about the purple glue sticks. Okay, once again, I'm going to put my glue on the back here. And I just go around in a circle, see? I'm going to add that at the end of his mouth on one side and the end of his mouth on the other side. So he's not quite done yet. It's up to you if you want to add a nose to him. I'm not choosing to do one today. I'm going to take my stem, and on the bottom, I'm just going to do a strip. See that? A strip. And now, this is important. It's going behind the orange. If you need to turn it over to do it, that's okay. See, it'll look like that on the back. So, he needs a couple leaves up at the stem. So, I'm going to, at the point, add some glue. And then, I'll hold it up so you can see it. I'm just going to stick it on the back side, right here, on one side, and I'll do it with the other. I think this is easier, having it turned upside down. So this is what the back looks like, and now that's what it looks like on the front. Now it's up to you if you want to add the big leaves. If you do, turn him over again to the back side. And in class, we would have our name on that side. And then I'm going to take this and put it on one side of him. And I'm going to take the other one and put it on the other side of him. And there you have your Spookley. I hope you have fun doing this, boys and girls, and send me a picture of you with your Spookley. I'd love to see them. Have a wonderful cookie-licious day, guys.